Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana broke out of the range here that we had on the chart between $39 and $42.60 here. Yeah, we were yesterday here. I showed you yesterday the Fibonacci retracement levels because it was only a very short retracement, and I told you if we stop here at $39, it would be very bullish, but it is normally not enough for a wave 2. Why a wave 2? Because I believe that we have at least have the possibility that this here could have been a wave 1, this could have been a wave 2, that we are now in the wave 3, but within the wave 3 we must be in a subwave, maybe in the early subwaves, for example here a wave 1 and a wave 2. And if that is the case, then this retracement only to $39 was not necessarily enough, not what you would usually expect for a wave 2. And you can see that this, what I said, was pretty much reality, because we did in the end retrace further. We came down to the 50% and now also the 61.8% fib level. Now, in the 61.8 is one of the ideal retracement levels for a wave 2. So we now need to be on high alert that this could be over. Of course, another lower low would push us down lower. That would prove that wave 2 wasn't finished yet, and we would go down further, maybe to 35.65. That's the 78.6% fib level. Should we go down below 34.76, which is the 88.7% fib level, then we just need to be on, let's say, on high alert that this probably was not a 1-2, because while you can come down to that level and it doesn't invalidate another 1-2, it is just unlikely. It's still a wave 2. If we go below the 88.7% fib level, it is just getting unlikely. And then at the end, if we go below 33.75, it will invalidate this entire impulse here. And it probably then is something else that we can look at. But for now, we can focus on the view that this here was a wave 1 and this here indeed a wave 2, from which we should now, or maybe one more dip in this on this fib ladder here, should start to move up in a wave 3. And again, what I said in previous videos for other coins as well, if this is a wave 3, we should find out straight away, because it should be quite a strong start to the upside, possibly even today, or maybe tomorrow. But this should actually, if this is finished now as a wave 2 and we are in a wave 3 of a wave 3, this should normally be the strongest and longest wave. So let's see, it will be then based on that an interesting trading day. If we go above $39, that would be a first indication that wave 2 here is over. Yeah, this 1-2, that this wave 2 is over. But real proof, yeah, we would only get above 42.64, that swing high. And then we would also be able to move higher. Bear in mind, again around this area, as I said before, around this $42.60 level, we have the 50-day moving average. That is probably providing resistance. And this will be a strong test on the move up if we actually are in a bullish breakout. Because if this now is a wave 3, it should push through the 50-day moving average. Yeah, it should be bullish. And then we should also cut through this level. And that would, again, moving above the 50-day moving average would be a good indication that indeed we are back in an uptrend. And this is still very, very unclear at the moment. But again, these are the key levels that we need to watch out for. So just gave you the key levels that we need to watch out for a more bullish move up. And, a real bullish signal would be significant price action above $48.41. I did mention that to you as well. So quick summary, we can go down lower here also in a wave 2, all the way down, I would say, in the worst case to 34.76. But if we go below that, there is a significant risk that we invalidate this impulsive move up. If we go higher from here, yeah, resistance would be $39. Above that first indication, wave 2 is finished and we are in a wave 3. Proof for that really only above 42.64. Bear in mind, 50-day moving average here, strong resistance, and real bullishness, I think, would come up in the chart above $48.41. If we can substantially break out above that level, hold that level, because this is the previous wave 4 high here, and this is the beginning of this entire impulse down, which could theoretically still be ongoing, but to rule that out, we want to move above the wave 4 high. And if we do that, it would invalidate any sort of bearishness still in this lower range, which doesn't mean we couldn't drop lower, but not in this still very likely scenario. It would invalidate one very likely bearish scenario, which obviously would be in favor of more bullish scenarios. Okay, will be an interesting day. So hopefully you liked the update about Solana. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.